Today I am going to show you how to fix this Windows Update error encountered problem. Go to Troubleshoot Other Problems. Select Windows Update. Run the troubleshoot. If this doesn't work, go for step 2. Open Services. Find Windows Update. Right click and go to Properties. Startup type Automatic. Apply. OK. Select Windows Update and restart. Now restart your system. And if this doesn't work, go for step 3. Open command prompt and run as admin. Now download this notepad file by clicking the link which I have provided in the description box and copy paste these commands in command prompt step by step. Now restart your system. Now let me show you that my Windows Update problem has fixed. Click on Retry. Click on Resume Updates. And there you go, my Windows Update service problem is fixed and started working perfectly. So if this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.